When you stay ready, you don't have to get ready because you're already ready. So, are you ready for this crypto bear market? Are you ready for this bloody period in crypto? We do not know how long it's gonna last, but guys, when you stay ready, you don't have to worry about getting ready. So, let's get ready. Today, I want to talk to you about five yes, five projects to avoid buying throughout this crypto bearish period. All right. So first and foremost, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. So guys, as you can see, things have been bloody. Yes, there's been a little bounce in Bitcoin and the entire crypto space, but honestly, things will most likely get worse, to be honest. Things will most likely get worse. I do not see Bitcoin recovering with the Fed raising interest rates over 75 basis points, and they're going to continue to increase interest rates all over the world. Inflation is out of control. Things will probably get worse. Still, there's a small chance it can get better, but honestly, things will most likely get worse. So, what do you have to do? You have to get ready. So, guys, five crypto projects to avoid purchasing throughout this crypto bearish period. We don't know how long it's gonna last. So, number five. Number five is Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin. The reason why Dogecoin is on the list is because honestly, this project, let's take a walk throughout memory lane. Remember looking at the chart, the project pumped up a lot. There's a lot of hype about it. And then this guy, Elon Musk, where would crypto be without him? He went on SNL. People thought Dogecoin was going to pump even further. It didn't. It actually crashed. And since then, it's been down 90%. Some people were able to cash out before it crashed, but unfortunately, a lot of people were left holding the bag. All right. But overall, Dogecoin is a project, just like a lot of meme projects. It was based on hype. It was hype that pumped it up. Elon Musk, all the attention that he brought to it, it helped pump up the price, right? But there's other meme projects that have been launched throughout 2021 that have done even better than Dogecoin. You know, Shiba Inu, Doge on Mars, Vita Inu, and there's a lot of other meme projects that have done even better. So right now, Dogecoin, the market cap, let's look. The market cap right now is around 8 billion. And yes, when it was pumped up, it was all the way up 74 billion. But overall, guys, this project, for it to revive and go back even higher, it's going to require a lot of hype. And honestly, Dogecoin, as you can see, has been around for so long. It's one of those projects, honestly, not financial advice, all right? Not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. But if I were to look into investing into a meme project, I would look into other meme projects, all right? So here on my screen, CoinMarketCap, you look under memes. These are some of the other up and coming meme projects. Their market caps are way lower, and guys, they have an opportunity to give an even bigger return than Dogecoin. Their fundamentals are even better. Just make sure you do your diligence and do your own research. But overall, guys, Dogecoin honestly is going to require so much hype. And honestly, Shiba Inu is killing the game. Doge on Mars is killing the game. And these other meme tokens, they're up and coming. They're getting a lot of hype too. But honestly, if people are looking to invest into meme tokens, they're gonna go after Shiba Inu, which is also available on Robinhood. They're gonna go after Doge on Mars. Market caps are way smaller. The potential for return is way higher. So that is the reason why Dogecoin made it on the list. All right. So number 4, Celsius. Yes, Celsius. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Check out the charts real quick. You see this? See this big crash? Even before Bitcoin took that big dive, Celsius Network took a major dive. And the reason why was, guys, if you didn't know, crypto lender Celsius pauses withdrawals due to extreme market conditions. So they paused withdrawals. People were not able to withdraw their tokens, guys. Do you know how bad that is? Imagine you want to take your tokens off an exchange and they block it, they shut it down. People were panicking over this, and this caused price to plummet downwards very quick, very fast. And no matter what excuse that Celsius has, this is a major red flag. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. We're not trying to get fooled twice. This left a bad taste in a lot of investors, a lot of people that had interest in Celsius. And seeing that they did that, I would be afraid. I would stay away. Honestly, I would stay away. So that is the reason why number 4, Celsius is one of the projects I would avoid. All right. You don't want them to do that again to you, all right? And there's a possibility that this entire crypto space will get even worse. There's even more uncertainty. The next 6 months, and not just crypto, but stocks, is very scary, is very spooky. Inflation's out of control. The economy is doing bad, not just in the United States, but globally all over. Honestly, Celsius is one of those projects I would stay away from. Number 3, Constitution DAO. Honestly, I do not know why price for this project keeps on pumping. I do not know why it keeps on pumping. It's ranked at number 153. Price keeps on pumping, keeps on pumping. But guys, do people not read what the project said? They were not able to accomplish and purchase the Constitution, all right? Yes, that was their goal. They raised money. They raised over $40 million. But unfortunately, they got outbidded. And the project themselves said that they are going to dismantle. They said it themselves. Look, this is their website. They're giving refunds. These are the 2 choices. Look, this is them saying it themselves. The community has taken all action that it was organized to accomplish. We raised capital, we bid at Sotheby's, and upon losing, we made full refunds available to the community as promised. It is also an option to keep your people's tokens and do with them as you please. It is clear that there are parts of the community who wish to incorporate them into future projects. Constitution DAO cannot and will not endorse any future plans for the token. Nothing in here is financial advice. Do your own research. They cannot and will not endorse any future plans for the token. This is their website. This is the team saying it themselves. Yet people keep on investing their hard-earned money into Constitution DAO. I can't explain it. It's already up 24% in the past 24 hours. Honestly, guys, the project, we don't even know who's behind it right now. The team has dismantled. They're giving out refunds, yet price keeps on pumping. This is one of those projects I would stay away from, alright? I would cross it off my list. Now, number 2. What? Number 2. Terra Classic. Terra Luna. Terra Luna version 1. Terra Luna version 2. Do Kwon should be in handcuffs. Do Kwon should be in prison right now. This man has cost so many people their life fortunes. Stable coins were supposed to be stable. And imagine you wake up one day, you check your bank account, and all your money just disappeared, plummeted. And the owner of the bank gives you stupid excuses like Do Kwon has been doing. I don't know why Terra Classic is still listed. Honestly, it's something that the crypto space has to move away from. I would not even trust Terra version 2. People were trying to turn Terra Classic into the next GME, the next AMC. Those stocks came out of nowhere. They pumped up a lot earlier 2021. People were trying to do the same. They're investing their hard-earned money into Terra Classic, hoping that they can recover. But from everything that's going on, look, even Binance has threats of lawsuits from Luna and USC Cells. Investors that invested in Luna and USC are trying to sue Binance for actually listing the project. Guys, all this FUD, Do Kwon isn't helping either. Check this out. This is the guy's Twitter going on rants. This should be obvious, but the claim that I cashed out 2.7 billion from anything is categorically false. Look at all this drama. All this drama, Do Kwon. And a few days ago, he even made his Twitter page private. Guys, all the plans that Do Kwon is coming up with isn't helping. Terra Luna version 2 price also plummeted once it got launched. People lost their life savings, man. People lost their life savings. I'm sorry to anybody that was impacted by this foolishness, but Terra Classic, Terra Luna version 2, those projects, I would stay away from them. I would stay far, far, far away, alright? Hopefully, people were able to recover, but the odds are very much against them, and especially with the way the crypto space is doing right now, the way the economy is, the very high chance of a recession, the odds are against everyone. But sorry for anybody that was impacted by this. So that is why they are number 2. Now, the number 1 crypto project to stay away from. Wait, there's no project on the screen. Honestly, guys, the number 1 is not a crypto project, but the number 1 thing to not do throughout this bear market, do not get scared and walk away from crypto. Wealth is made throughout the bearish periods, alright? Wealth is made throughout the bloodiness, alright? When people are fearful, that is when you get greedy. When people are greedy, that is when you get fearful. Right now, fear is at an all-time high. Now, I'm not saying go all in, but everything in the entire crypto space is at a discount. Don't think in a short term. Don't think 6 months from now. Don't think a year from now. Think 5 years from now. Think 10 years from now. As long as you do your due diligence, only invest what you're willing to lose, and look into projects that are legit, that will be around for the long term. Right now, don't go all in because price can go lower and most likely will. But start game planning, look into projects that will be around for long term, and start pulling some money into them. Dollar cost average, each paycheck, put a little bit. If it goes lower, put a little bit. Because ultimately, price will recover. Don't believe me? Check this out. This is the monthly total crypto market cap. Now, pay attention to the red. This was, let's look back in time. This was the 2017 bull run. Price pumped up. Look at that drop. Bear market from basically 2018, finding a bottom, end of 2018. But guess what? If you got in at the end of 2018, beginning of 2019, even if you got in right here, or you got in right here, guess what? As long as you had patience, you had a long-term game plan, diamond hands, look, eventually, price started recovering. And you saw price pump up. So guys, look, another pullback, price goes up. Now right here, it went down. Most likely it's going to try to retest down here. There's a strong possibility the market cap will go down at least half from where it's at right now. Right now it's at 927 billion. Expect it to reach around 500, 400 billion, maybe even going down to the 3s or the 2s. But thinking long term, the market cap will recover, right? It will recover. Once it finds the bottom, finds a level of support, eventually. It's not going to recover overnight. And look, even Bitcoin follows the same pattern. Bitcoin crashes. How many lives does Bitcoin has? How many times has it crashed? No matter how bad it gets, it always recovers in the long term. The stock market, same thing. If you didn't know, crypto is correlated to the stock market. No matter how bad the stock market gets, it always recovers. So the point I'm trying to make is that, guys, long term, no matter how bad things get in the crypto space, as long as you look into projects that have great long-term plans, you will make a return. Right now, everything's at a discount price. Things might go lower, so don't go all in. Dollar cost average, and trust me, as long as you look into legit projects, in a few years from now, we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know how long the recovery is going to take. It will eventually recover. There will be another bull run, another people going crazy. Right now, people are making fun of you, saying, oh, look at you, how stupid you are for investing your money into crypto, your family, your friends, maybe your spouse making fun of you. But them same people, when prices start pumping, they're going to start asking you about crypto. Hey, what project should I get in? Hey, what do you think about this project? Hey, how's your portfolio doing? Hey, do you think I should buy this? Once price starts moving up again, them same haters will be the same ones asking you for advice. So just have a long-term vision, look into projects that will be around for the long term, and as always, invest only what you're willing to lose. So with that being said, just a quick recap. Number 5 was Dogecoin. Number 4 was Celsius. Number 3 was Constitution DAO. Number 2 was Terra Classic. Also, you can throw in there Terra version 2. And the number 1 was actually not a project itself, but the number 1 thing to not do in this bearish periods, these bearish times in the crypto space, is to not invest. Right now, everything's at a discount. Things might get even more cheaper, but just look into projects that are great long-term projects. Don't check your portfolio every day. Just sit back, relax, sit tight, and trust me, your seat on the moon is waiting for you. All right. So with that being said, guys, I am out.